Hello, I'm Vicki Leroux with Modern Jewelry Creators. Thank you for selecting this video and joining me today. I am so excited to be reintroducing you to some of our most popular, beloved designs that are going to be available on our website, again with just a limited availability, kind of a special thing just for the website, just for the holidays, and some of them with brand new colors. So I am very excited to go over those with you today. If we are just meeting though, again, my name is Vicki Leroux. I have been in the jewelry making / bead business for almost 30 some years, almost, with my shop, the Bead Factory. Now though, that with this channel and with our website, I'm able to share all of our designs and plus new tips, techniques, and ideas and things here on this channel on the internet with everyone here now. So we'd love to have you be a part of the Modern Jewelry Creators community. So I hope you'll consider subscribing and joining us. So like I was saying, I'm very excited to be kind of pulling out of the vault some of our most glamorous gorgeous kits and designs that are just perfect for the holidays, whether you're making it for yourself to wear or making them to give as a gift, or you're even just giving the kit as a gift. This is the time to get them because they're not normally available. We put kits out for limited availability and then we have new ones coming out all the time. But I'm excited for the first time to be putting back out some of our most popular ones. And some of them have some new updates. So let's start first, though, with our beloved Holiday Precious Palette. So it's not so much a design, but one of our very well-known color stories. It's our little Precious Palette. It depends on the lighting here and where you are, but I have it made in one of our Hidden Gems bracelets. Right, she's just lovely. So this is our Holiday Precious Palette mix. This bracelet, this Hidden Gems bracelet, is probably uses about half of the package, maybe a little less actually. But she's a gorgeous, gorgeous color mix that I make that uses, this one has moonstone, rose quartz, aventurine, crystal quartz, a little bit of amethyst, rubies, emeralds, green onyx, and then it's mixed, of course, with freshwater pearls in white and pinky shades, and then a whole bunch of crystals in Swarovski and Czech fire polish and preciosa and some Chinese crystals to make up our gorgeous Holiday Precious Palette. And I think this is about the 4th year, maybe, I've had this available. So it's a lot of fun. It just comes in this little mix that this is a full ounce, and like I said, this bracelet, boy, even less than half maybe, you could probably get at least 2 of these, 2.5 of these bracelets out of that package. And that Hidden Gems is just to kind of show you again the color story. Here's some little earrings I've done out of that mix as well that I think are very sweet. I mean, it couldn't be any easier. These are just put on head pins and then off of chain and dangled on there any old way, because the mix, the little color palette, is already made for you. So however you mix it, it's going to look fabulous. So that mix has a very limited availability each year. It's on our website right now. I will leave links below, of course, for all this, for all these designs as well as the mixes. Now, this design, the little Hidden Gems, I've made it, like I said, I made it up in the holiday mix, but the bracelet itself, the kit itself, is also going to be available. And this is the other color story it's available in, is called Ocean Paradise. And so this kit hasn't been available for a long time. And here's your, opportunity to get this kit again if you want her. I think she's $38. Let me check. And Ocean Paradise has so much. Aquamarine, Aventurine, Green Peridot, those are emeralds, more moonstone, crystal quartz, chalcedony, gorgeous freshwater pearls and crystals. She's a beauty, right? Just a beauty. So all of our kits, contemporary jewelry making kits, include the full instructions. We call it a style sheet with step-by-step instructions and photos on how to make each design. But most of these designs I'm sharing today, especially the next 4, are more advanced designs, a little more intense. And so for the first time ever, I'm also going to make available the full online tutorial or class, right? We have taught in person our designs with our in-person classes for decades. And now I have a full online videos that are basically the full tutorial on how to make that design. And currently they live in a members library. I can leave a link for our membership. I won't go into all that today, but members have access to all of those. But for right now, for these designs, I'm going to put an option in the listing where you can actually add on the video class if you want to for these designs. So let's go through. Then let's start with a Cartier cuff that I'm wearing. She's gorgeous. And it comes in 6 color stories. Here, this definitely has been one of our most popular designs ever. It's my original design. All these are, actually. And, right, so here it is in the gold. It's just stunning. So again, you could definitely, make any of these kits with the instruction sheet that's provided, especially if you've done it before. But if you haven't, I would really encourage or suggest getting the video as well. It is like having me in the class there, step by step, not just to walk through the techniques and all the steps, but especially common things that can go wrong, or if it breaks, how to fix it, how to put this back together, that kind of thing, how to adjust the sizing. So right, this is in the gold. This is in the silver gunmetal. Here's the silver. Trying to get these in the light. Here's the gunmetal silver. So pretty. This is the gold gunmetal. And then I am wearing the gold silver, which is probably my favorite because I just think it looks so stunning. And I put a little safety chain on this one. This kit is also $38, I'm pretty sure, right around there. Again, so you could just choose the colors and that you want to come in. It comes with all the instructions, and you can add the option of the class. And for that one, boy, I would encourage it unless you've made it before and taken the class before. Okay, let's jump in. Let's do a necklace. So here is our Filigree goddess necklace. Right, she's about 30 inches, and here she is in beautiful gold. I also have her available in silver. And I made the silver one. Oh, I pinned her down. Sorry. Cannot pin a good girl down, huh? So, but there she is. So lovely, lovely. I need a bigger table. That's what I need. There's some of our silver one. Right, she's so beautiful. She's so gorgeous. So this kit is available in the silver or gold, and I think this one's also $38. Yep. That includes all the instructions, and you can also add on the video kit if you want to. But she's a beauty. This is one of my favorites, and it's definitely been was a really popular class and design when we put it out earlier this year. And it has an earring option that you can wear with it or not. It's a lot of look to wear it together, but it's a gorgeous kit if you're more of a statement earring girl. You can also do the filigree earring. There she is in silver. got, here's a little gold one. Yeah, they're just stunning. So this kit, I believe, is $25, so a little bit less. And just, yeah, a gorgeous, gorgeous design. And then, I think one more. Our beautiful bling bracelets. Stunning. And I pinned everything down so I wouldn't drop it or lose it. This is available in silver or gold, but it's also then available, it's done with 2 different kinds of chain and then leather cord. And so it's available in the silver and gold and black, and then silver or gold with silver metallic leather or bronze leather too. And this is, it's just a stunning bracelet. It's such a gorgeous, so much sparkle. So that is all of them. So 5 designs available now for a very limited time, as well as our gorgeous holiday mix, also extremely limited availability, only of course through the holidays, as well as the online tutorial option, which is yours to use forever, right? It never goes away once you purchase it. So that way you can take the class whenever you like, as much as you like, which I think is a nice option. And I think that's about everything in this video. I can't believe I got through things so quickly this time. Normally I'm a bit of a rambling person, but I just love the designs so much. So thank you so much for joining me. I will link all these below, of course, and then if you click over to the website, to the listing, it'll give you the different color options, and then the add-on options if you want to add on the video. Oh, I do want to mention one more thing. Sorry. So the little hidden gems bracelet, right, is available in this color story, the Ocean Paradise. If you want to do hidden gems with the holiday mix, you can. But so what happens is you're going to order the holiday mix, and then there'll be an add-on option for the hidden gems kit. Do you know what I mean? So you'll get the whole package, and then you can order the stringing kit for it, which will come with the silk and the end caps and the clasp and the instructions, and all the spacers and all that stuff to make the project. So if you go to just the hidden gems listing and no, I want to do it in this mix, you won't see this option as a color. You will see this one. But if you do want to make the hidden gems in the holiday mix, you just need to order the holiday mix and then the hidden gems kit. I hope that makes sense. Just because you'll get way more. Like I said, if you do this exact length and stuff, you'll get at least 2 out of here. So it's kind of a nice option, because that way you could do use even half the kit to make the bracelet, and then those little cute little earrings, if you want to too, plus lots of other cute options as well. So see, I can manage to ramble. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, please like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment, say hello, and I will see you back here in my next video. And until then, please sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Peace.